This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Old Town at Old Town Park, looking southeast toward what would be a great view of the skyline on a sunny day, but it's not sunny. Heading around for a look down toward the loop and out west to where you're going to have some great sunset views when the sun shines. I'm on the 30th floor balcony of a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, level furnished apartment. Headed inside to get away from the cold. What a place this would be to hang out with your family, your roommates, or host a party. If you want to have a dinner party, you've got table seating for 8 and seating for another 4 around the breakfast bar island. The apartment is comfortably furnished, set up with all the cookware, dishware, etc. that you would need to feel right at home. Floor-to-ceiling windows with roller blinds span the south and west sides of this unit. Flat panel TV in the living room and in each of the bedrooms. Back for a look at the kitchen. It's a wide breakfast bar island with a deep stainless steel sink. A cabinet front integrated Blomberg refrigerator. Cabinet front dishwasher. There's a wine chiller. Great counter and cabinet space. White lacquer look upper cabinets. 5-burner gas range. Marble granite counters and a granite backsplash. It's recessed lighting throughout the living area here. Plank flooring extends throughout the apartment. Heading into the third of the 3 bedrooms. Set up with a king-size bed, flat panel TV, space for seating, and a view out over the balcony. With shelving and hanging space in the closet. Heading back toward the 2nd bedroom of the master. Second bedroom faces south. Furnished for 2 nightstands, chest of drawers, and just outside the 2nd bedroom is a front-loading washer dryer. Looking at where you would have entered the unit, it's a coat closet with an ironing board. And then the guest bath. Attractive white tile on the floor, deep soaking tub, mirror that spans the width of the wall, and a nice sized vanity with an undermount sink. This body spray attachment with a rain shower head. Stepping into the master's suite. Large flat panel TV on the wall. Nice sized room. King bed. Wall of windows with roller blinds facing south. Again, I wish I had some sunshine to show you that great view. Plenty of space in this room. Now headed back toward the master bath. There's a large walk-in closet opening off the master bath with custom organizers and a robe so you can relax when you get here. Master bath has a double bowl vanity, wall-wide mirror again with a medicine cabinet, and a wide walk-in shower, again with a body spray attachment and a rain shower head. Very appealing master bath. Renting a furnished level unit for 30 days or longer is a great way to relocate to a new town. Everything you need to feel right at home is right here. And Old Town Park has a terrific suite of amenities. This belongs high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.